Alright, cool. Cause I haven't checked this out yet.
Humans
Shit.
must have some purpose other than a place to store your neurotoxin. Something I failed to notice before. An intangible quality that makes their test results
Alright, yeah.
significant.
I think I
Okay,
gotta like
plan B.
do
We need
that or
humans.
something. Nah. How do we get up?
I don't know.
Like we have to fling ourselves at something maybe.
Wait, hold
Right,
on.
so
Go through.
then
Go through. I can't
right
replace
here.
your portal. Oh.
Right here. Try putting a blue one here. Okay, and then another one right here. Maybe. Shit. Huh.
I think you might
Oh
have the
shit.
right
I
idea.
forgot SV cheats is on.
Oh yeah, I had the turn sheets on to be able to change the level, so.
Okay, bruh. Fuck. I keep accidentally trying to find the voice chat button. Okay. Um. Hmm. 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 Wait. So right mouse button is red. Yeah. Shit. Fuck. This ain't gonna be it. Oh. Fuck.
I don't know how to do this one.
This ain't the right way to do it. Hold on.
I just gotta do a better way of doing this. Hold on. Solve this. Oh, fuck.
Wait.
Fucking.
Wait a minute. Put one portal here and then here. No, I'll just put one here and here and then go through. Go over. Straight. Try strafing to
Hold
it.
on. Yeah, it probably would be better if I. It just won't let me
I'll
go
try.
through. Hold on. There's a clip there.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Wow, I'm so confused.
Yeah, you
There's
literally cannot walk here.
why?
I don't know why that's clipped off. That's so dumb.
Wait,
Alright.
this isn't.
Oh, maybe
Like
it's
why is
cause
this?
there's nothing back there? I didn't think about that.
I've lost the map. Okay, good. I'm back.
Alright.
No, it may be.
Maybe,
What about the next level?
uh, cause I know this has like 7 chambers in it. I gotta figure out how that,
Yeah.
cause I know, here. Cause I know Wolfclock did a playthrough of this with Ozzy, and I gotta.
Oh.
Oh, I'm assuming the fucking test is broken, cause this is supposed to open up. So I guess let's just no
Oh.
clip through here.
It's just not clip.
Yeah.
Emancipation Gray.
Oh, it's Portal 1 grid. Okay, this seems
Fuck. Huh?
good idea.
I was
Alright.
up there.
Alright, now place your portal, place your red there. There we go. Oh,
Huh?
I forgot.
Maybe you gotta get a jump.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
gotta get
There
a.
you go.
There we go.
Great.
Why are you crouching?
Hmm.
You're like always crouching for me.
Alright. Is that fixed?
No.
That's weird. What's up here?
Yeah, you're not crouching.
I'm not crouching for me.
That's odd.
Maybe it's a little bug.
Maybe.
There's another door up here. There's two doors.
Ooh. Door. I don't know if
Why does this
I
open?
don't know if I can make that jump. I don't know why I no
Oh
clipped.
shit.
Oh,
Wait, there's a floor
I'm
surface
dumb.
down here.
Wee.
Oh shit.
We need 2 people to open this
Wait for
door.
me.
You gotta.
Keep the portals open.
Yeah.
So this is like the first Portal 2 beta stuff we've ever gotten.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm making a video on this.
And there's some maps for this that have been used in the campaign, and some of these I'm pretty sure haven't. So
Alright, nice. What the fuck is wrong with this texture?
yeah, there is something wrong with that cube box
Yo,
texture,
what that cube doing?
bro. What
I
the
think the
cube
cube might
button
come out of
doing?
that.
Yeah,
And there's something up here.
dude, that's the Portal 1 thing.
It
Oh my
is?
god. Yeah, that's the Portal 1 box dropper. And then all the
Oh, yeah.
doors have like placeholder stuff.
It's up here.
Oh my
There's
god,
a
this
button.
is so cool. I fucking love this. Here, hold on. Drop into
Yeah.
my portal.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa.
I'll probably do something.
And there's another button right here. I think I gotta get you to that, so... you... Fuck, I can't actually.
Okay.
Oh, wait, let me go back there. Hold on. Yeah, actually... Yeah, sure. Yeah, you do that. There we go. What? Fiddlesticks?
Oh my god, Kleiner.
Oh, fiddlesticks. What now?
Oh, I know this one.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh,
stand
it's
on
one
there.
of these ones.
Yeah, stand on there. Oh,
Yeah, I got you. You go in.
I'll go in, I guess. Wrong
Oh, shit, I did the
portal.
wrong one. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Okay, I got it this time. I got it this time. Just me. I got it.
Alright, alright. Nope, that's the
Fuck!
wrong
Oh
one
my
again.
God. Okay, I see it now. For real this time, it's the yellow one, not red.
Hey.
Okay, can you shoot
Alright,
the portals from here? Or,
alright, yeah.
I'm sure you won't fuck it up this time. Well, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go. Look at me. Another one? What? Oh. Okay. Yeah, put yours then. I'll go in. Woo, 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 woo. Ow. Oh. Back out of the thing again. Okay, can I reach you from here?
I don't know what
Can't.
that did.
There's a Half-Life door here. Oh, is that a turret? Turrets, oh my god. How do I get you over here? Oh, there's a portal surface, but there are guns. So be careful.
Alright, yeah.
Could you somehow...
Oh,
Like, yeah, be careful. I'm up here right now. Wait,
alright, yeah.
I'm gonna drop on them. Ugh.
Nice.
Okay, you go forward. I think it's good. There's a turret blocking me, though.
Huh.
Ow, ow. Oh, wait.
Uh.
That's right. It's blocked, my bad. Alright, there's two turrets. We gotta go at the same time, I think. Go. Ooh.
Hey, nice.
Ow, ow, ah, ah.
Oh my god.
Okay. That's a noob. I haven't seen that button before. What?
Oh my god.
Error. What is
Oh
this?
my god.
What is happening? Is that meant
Fuck
to go
you.
here?
Okay, yeah, this. Okay,
I
and now
set
you.
the chair on fire. It's burning.
Oh my god. And now you place your portals there. And then, yeah.
Good.
Okay. What the fuck? Look at the ground texture.
Perfect. Now
Oh
all
my
you
god.
have to do is capture them for me. Then everything will finally be back.
What?
Hold on. Those are
Your voice line?
raccoons. Homo sapiens only, please.
New voice line.
No. Okay.
Thing.
Plan B, subsection 1. Stand still so I can bring you back. Commence standing by in 3, 2, 1.
Are we gonna blow up?
I don't know.